Emma Torino etimu emienu yeba England FA Cup game ba kwa so Bristol City etrefie Emma Manchester City eshome kamiensa woma etumi ante on the 7th minute Phil Foden enya first goal opener no Edma City sanso na 74th minute Foden esan de back home enso eka ho Kevin De Bruyne 81st minute no wono so enya third goal etumi de yama bobo kwanidin. And so at the Manchester City, City winning by 3-0. And so the Munyami Aduma and that game Saurobi and Sebakoswa na NF Diagro Udwane Chemo our England EPL outstanding game back on Ebebaso and no match day 7 Arsenal Everton Emirates Sports Stadium normally Everton Bobokuno. And so etumie dia bani Samson and Liverpool Anfield almost only Wolverhampton Wanderers and so about 8 p.m. Arsenal game no 7:45 now for Liverpool game no and so 8 p.m. FA Cup no so emu 2 games and so betogwa Sheffield United 7:55 p.m. Amoso ene Tottenham Hotspur ebebo na fe Old Trafford Manchester United 7:45 amoso ne West Ham United team no and so ebebo ene enwumre entikai national so ene matches bia ebeba so we Europe watchna Copa del Rey Real Madrid 8 p.m. and so ebebo FC Barcelona and so our Copa del Rey no and so emunti eno games awro ebeba so ene anope yete ho and so to me adiama wona yan konsam from na yan sha tidbit awro no so etumi aba na Kylian Mbappe akache abrante no and so to me akasa ni na anese Manchester United team no eje Carabao Cup no ewie yepe ena abrante ni de Jadon Sancho oko posti ye e won Instagram page on Marcus Rashford ena trophy no esu omanim ena no so etumi posti ye o posti ye pe ena Kylian Mbappe and so etumi sending message e de ema abrante de Jadon Sancho say na ni etumi age say na sedie and so etumi abanenim obakaya na sentem abrante na message out to United on first team no ni na say ni dimina e wo Manchester United setup no according to coach and din and so the director na no senior man shada nko yesa FM abrante no hu ni say ni seriousness e wo fam into omani free first team na kache ekwaye training ya enti February yemu ana abrante no esan returning to Manchester United am first team name eno no ba ya wa ba beje first trophy and so ho no ma Kylian Mbappe and so we share no well na fe wa san ka kire ni say na ni atumi age say ono so atumi anya eye trophy e wa na ka kire na fe sedie and so atumi aba be share na from ma eno ya Kylian Mbappe and so enkomo no medical ka kire dey say United team no o mani di Mbappe chi sekoba ni say katafo no etumi ebeto United team ne dia ene almost hwemu se omagwa akofa Kylian Mbappe enso etumi de na no na message we be mu no bebre na ye no huhu se ne na abrante likely o so no so no be come Manchester team ne so be kwa so nko no emene nkrabia ene ebeche egu so di sancham nachi ne ebeto fam bia no ye de be ma na onso ahun se ne a eno so ete yen konsam foforo na yen hwe se ne a eno so etumi ete e wo ho no mo de Liverpool team na akache ena no pay yesan edi ene e kire na okọ Liverpool akache a abrante ani den enso de Atam Melo former Barcelona midfielder ofri Barca eko Juve bobokunim ekokosi akan evema Juventus ene obo loan ediema Liverpool bobokuno oba enu ni omanko yi enfem abrante no on shada enya bi mbo ewo Liverpool team no enso emuenti Liverpool edene ko U21 team no enso emu se onko na fe onko ye training na oni omo enkosi akaya na se obia no ma se ama na ba senior team no enso emu me no ka say dia abrante den enso ede Atam Melo wono so say wa ben ama say Liverpool on the 9th of February no and almost etumi amane joining omo senior team no enso Liverpool team na ka cha report no ya say uko anu ankasa ne personal trainer ana watumi ayi awon so esan ni training na wire say nioma be ko yie etumi ade amani after say Liverpool team ni na aye training awie no ono so esan extra training and so on the side say be ya the performance edman Liverpool na be kon kan say according to coach Jurgen Klopp no o say Atam Melo abrante na ben say enwumre ikura no nioma toto yie kura obetumi asi akan edman Liverpool against Wolverhampton Wanderers bobo kono weekend okosi akan edman omo under 20 no emra omo so and Leicester City ebo game obo 90 minutes edman Liverpool under 20 omo winning by 7-1 enso honoma say according to report Atamelu enso abin a wobetumi ababesi akan ede ama Liverpool boboko no eno eye ne yefiri ho enso etumi ede e ba feel 14 and draw onya 2 goals edema Manchester City boboko no eme omoso achi Bristol City esho mo 3-0 na Abrantone performance endra nwumre edema City no na yade a wasoro 89% eye passing accuracy eno no so etumi eye 6 balls recoveries eno no so etumi eye afe eba no duels won na o win 6 and chances created feel 14 a creative form or dribble complete 4 times eno tumi a dribble and afe 2 shot ono nya 2 goals and so honema ne performance and nwumre na yade a etumi akonkan edema Manchester City boboko no Yeka City won some no yanko am last 5 seasons our English FA Cup name 2018-2019 Manchester City winning English FA Cup no 2019-2020 do semi-final 2020-2021 almost do semi-final 2021 to 2022 do semi-final and currently 2022-2023 season City and so quarter final last 5 seasons our English FA Cup no performance to me a conkind. And so hodema anopay yedi emunchema diema wo Blackburn Rovers and so akache almost about 13 games our 2023 yimo almost lose just 1 game per na almost no performance ni ade etumi ekonkan pa almost knock Leicester City and so to the free tournament no and so emu anasa Blackburn Rovers go so and so performing Okoman and so na Andra Fulham and so qualify for the first time for a quarter final since 2010 almost FA Cup quarter final no moon to be enko but Andra almost so qualify and so mademo and so hodoma and nano pay yedi sansem no and so to me ama one senia and command so to me and so our Fulham for and so akache na yamfa nyenchemo our ensamfo from nafe yahwe ensama horo and so to me at the airba Karim Benzema and our pile na unimusa FIFA best player no in Penifone year in Shasha August last year August the babesi December and I feel ebasha na nominated and I say a na election time and I feel players no yeshwa mo performance no sin nyoma besi yako and set me the afana fe ye choose best player no na oko Benzema ni Instagram page what to me posti e dia to or say a 50 last August until the end of a FIFA nomination period no on Karim Benzema o deserve as a FIFA best player ya di Emmanuel na o say o share 63 goals 21 assists on to me afe European Nations League champions or the France akwaje UEFA Champions League or also or the Real Madrid that La Liga or the Madrid Spanish Super Cup according to Benzema and also European Super Cup or and afe Club World Cup or also on the Real Madrid club no akwaje UEFA Champions League top scorer ono nenya La Liga top scorer onu nenya Spanish Super Cup Championship top scorer no wono so nenya best goal maker our La Liga name ekwadema oni Benzema best goal maker our Champions League name ekwadema oni Benzema afe Ballon d'Or ojiza award no best player our Europe ojiye UEFA Champions League most valuable player and also ojiye best player our La Liga Benzema jiye and afe Di Stefano award for the best player our La Liga ni me no fans ni to aba enso yi no and also koye DM no Karim Mustafa Benzema entisa was we na 2022 oye ni nyina na say antumi ankwa fama na obeka say ene die na say UEFA na say FIFA for enso etumi awia no eno yensema Karim Benzema ede etugwa no pay yeti ho enso etumi ede ama wa hu se ne am enso etumi ete enso honti Karim Benzema dwa wa pipeline enso e was FIFA best player no yentumi amfa sa award no entumi amfa no na nioma entumi ankokọ yie amfa wa na impo ye no kra no otosum yensa Kylian Mbappe eba be sign no entina say according to FIFA former patch say 2022 calendar year no Kylian Mbappe performance ayade akọ yie ɛsen wɔn Karim Mustafa Benzema afei nso kura no Messi ɛnso performance ɛyɛ adeɛ etumi akɔ soro ɛsen wɔn Karim Mustafa Benzema etu ɔno Benzema deɛ ɛnyɛ adeɛ ɔgye tom ɛnso ɛnɛ sɛ FIFA ɛnso etumi anfa award no best player ɛntumi anfa ama no na wɔn de kɔ kɔma Lionel Andre Messi Kutichini sɛ Messi ɛna ɛyɛ best player ɛno ayɛ nsɛm a efiri wɔn nso etumi ade ɛba anɔpɛ yie to hɔ ɛnso etumi ade ama wɔ na bra Facebook na bra bɛhyɛ ɛnso ɛwɔ hɔ na mo yɛn kɔ ɛyɛ England a most managers a ɔmo etumi awini ɛyɛ most manager na sɛ manager of the month award no oba ɛyɛ Facebook a ɛda hɔ ɔba behu sɛ Alex Ferguson Pep Guardiola no mu na no ɔmo nso yɛ nɛɛmo ɛba no manager ɔwɔ England na wɔwini manager of the month awards no dodoɔ no ɛnɛ saa coaches ni na no ɛno nso yɛde ato Facebook ɔbɛba behu na Mikel Arteta ɛkasa fa Graham Potter ho Mikel Arteta sɛ Graham Potter situation ɔwɔ mu no ɛne ya na coach bi akɔ situation wɔ bi mu a ɛyɛ mpempi no nneɛma gye nsɛm ɛyɛ supporters kasa yɛ kasa tiaw obi yɛ kasa ɔkasa tiaw na nea Graham Potter na mu wɔ Chelsea no ɔno Mikel Arteta ɛne ya na ɔka kyɛ Graham Potter nso sɛ ɔnhwɛ no turn things around ɛmfɛma Chelsea club no ɛsan sɛ owners no deɛ mpanyinfoɔ no ɛnya de ɔmbɛnya abotrɛ na kɔsi wiase awieyɛ ɛnyɛ den adakoro abotrɛ no ɔmo kita no ɔmo nso ebɛfiri ɔmo nsa anaasɛ ɔmbɛgyem enti ɔnhwɛ na ɔnsesɛ nneɛma ɛnso ntumi ɛmfɛma Chelsea boboko no ɛno ɛyɛ foto a abrante a na sɛ coach ɛnde de Mikel Arteta ɛkɔ ɛde ama Graham Potter no pɛi ɛno so yɛde mu nkyɛmu ɛde ɛma wɔyɛnkɔ Eric Ten Hag aso ɛyɛ eke hyɛ na fa ɛno tu mame na Eric Ten Hag ɛyɛ head coach ɛde ma Manchester United boboko no Ten Hag ɛnso nkɔmɔ no sɛ yɛbisa no sɛ ɔma wini Carabao Cup no what next ɛde ma ɛyɛ United boboko no mo game against West Ham no focus no kɔ sɛ ɔna ɔsɛ sɛ wopɛ sɛ wodu highest level wopɛ sɛ wo performing yie dia ɛwɔ sɛ ne time bia no woyɛ focus into mo game against ɛyɛ West Ham United ne deɛ focus no ɛwɔ sɛ players no ɛnso etumi ɛyɛ na ɛno yɛ nsɛm a Eric Ten Hag ɛnso ɛka yɛntie nsɛm a Ten Hag ɛde to yɛ nim.
Congratulations again on winning the Carabao Cup at the weekend, but now the focus is on West Ham. How quickly can you turn the players around to be ready for this game?
That's our job, that's their job. So we don't allow them to stay in the mood from Sunday. Sunday is the history. It's nice, memories, but if you want to perform, you have to focus on the things you have to do. You have to focus on the job.
Wey ɛyɛ nsɛm a Eric Ten Hag ɔno ɛyɛ manager ɛde ma Manchester United team no ɛka ɔsɛ sɛ ɔpɛ sɛ ɔperform a ɛwɔ sɛ ɔyɛ focus nti players no ɛyɛ focus ɔmo game against West Ham no Carabao Cup na ɔmo agye awie atwam nti ɔsɛ sɛ ni aka no ɛna ɔmo nso etumi focus na ɔmo yɛ sɛ performance ɛnso ebetumi akɔ nkan Eric Ten Hag nkɔmɔ ɛna wɔte yɛ no ɛnsɛm na dɔɔso ama no ne abusua yɛde besi na afei yɛdi nkɔmɔ ahorow na aka no ɛnso ɛwɔ fie ha na yɛatoa so ɛnso etumi ɛde ama wɔn nti di akyi wɔ Facebook ne aka nyinaa no ɔba behu Ronaldinho ɛnɛ 15 years ago a Branton hyɛ ne last goal ɛnso etumi ɛde ɛma FC Barcelona boboko no nti ɔba Facebook a ɔba behu sɛ saa goal no ɛnso hɔ Xavi na ɛyɛ assist no ɛna ɔno ball scissor kick ɛna ɔde hyɛ goal no nti ɛno nso ne na etwa goal Facebook wuram ɔba behu sɛ dibia ɛnso ɛda so kama ɛnso ho nti yɛbɛsi na fake asom na yɛato aso.
Alright, nti no Pasolo Paradise ɛde no no a yɛsamana ne nsɛm ɔno nso no atumi ɛde abrɛ ɛwɔ dwumadie no so yɛba bɛdi nkɔmmɔ Barima menka sɛ star 787 hash star 787 hash ɔmo adaroma ana no pɛn so no yɛatena sɛ Okoman Global Sports ɛno nso yɛde ba sɛ na meka ne nsɛm ahodoɔ no ɛnso no ɛwɔ fie ha nsɛm ahodoɔ no ɛwɔ fie ha no ma yɛ sɛ unum sɛ All African Games na ntumi ama so next year on the 8th of March ana mpanyifo etuma hyɛ sɛ emra so na Ghana nsɛm no de bibiri yɛ haw ɛso sɛ bibi man Ghana yɛ haw ɛso papa All African Games etu ahyɛ da ɛnɛ yɛ sɛ infrastructure facility yɛ de bɛyɛ no ɛnyɛ ready until next year meanwhile so yɛabɔ bosia nke yɛ de project no yɛ sɛ anka 38 million ana ebetuma yɛ kɔbɔ bosia $500 million and yɛde ba bɛ as at now entumi yɛ enti yɛtu ɛde ahyɛ da yɛbɛba ne abɛdi mu nkɔwɔ na ɔman wɔ mu anka sɛ bɛdu baabi yɛbɛgya mu asɛm ka Ezan say o kan kura na embenfo ntie ye ko kan amana ne de nso mo say amana ne de ne dɔɔso ye de nso ma adwin sɛ muntie ba be di mu nkobo Samson Ghana Premier League enkomo ɛwɔ hɔ ye be wuram interviews awodo no ɛbɛba ye be kɔ Kotukura Sakachi Samson Great Olympics ye be kɔ Makachi unum sɛ ne ɔmane had to folk and the Manchester derby no and so no ɛbɛbɔ so nti ye be kɔ na yakodi enkomo and so no ɛwɔ hɔ manane nsɛm Karim Benzema kasa ɔno deɛ ɔhwema hwɛ achievement pa 2021 abɛpem 22 December ɔhwɛ unsa no basketball no dɔso dodo ɔno na ɛzanka onya FIFA Men's Player of the Year no nanso amanesa Messi agye do ko Benzema ɛnso no atumi akasa senso na Erik ten Hag akasa ze Man U anigye na ye yɛde awie a wo menwe yɛ ho yɛnkɔ yɛ nim ne yɛda yɛ nim no na so nti yɛmfa Carabao ani gye ne mfa nto baabi ni stay focused ano ɛyɛ Erik ten Hag abɛyafo atena se kro bia sante wa ha abana ne nsɛm baabi obi abɛso ade fast ma bɛ ɛwɔtwe ne wi a yɛmmerɛ fie kro bia ama Akwaaba
oba dia dama bibia ye kama bibia fine ye wa hoden pa o se papa mo boni mo ye fa sida ma no nti de koye ne de ankoye nyina moja gusu de furusa ne nko ade na kyese na sida enya ade e be fedi da nti me wa hoden papa o ye strong
oh busum foforo ne ewuram nti no ya busum ne be ma ye no we are ready to face it nti no ye de atwedi ampon ye dan no
yes
nti no se ono de ahyem busum foforo mu no ono so no ode ye be kwa akotwa wie na niam apɛ wo mu no ode aman ne bɔne so ban so a eni so ba ma ya hoden na ye de afesi nti no ye de ewom ye papa oboni o ye se twedi ampon kan ho yi de ewom bibia be kama now Nigeria election is all follow
ya na say Nigeria for when it does so na then say me lose hope yeah say me let me motivation level no I was through
Nigeria presidency na motivation
because Nigeria for when it does so bad ya say o man be ye dia na say me ya abro so say me ya asin won me ya abro so
you are Tinubu no say
man no top man oh yeah top man very very top man and
break it you know
yes Charlie for the first time break it you know top man pa top man
cash man pa
Oscar say one when ne kwa ne de obi ani wo
but I must say
financially pa they are very strong
you for no san come on dwen with that
you tunu ne info na info na kwoto aba no
adult
you tunu kra de one asem kra de Nigeria you to cry there I think say if you no kon ye no won ye be tia yam
Tinubu no
enye me mpe no me pe Nigeria nkanko look
na Nigeria nkanko
one of the countries misa nyina me ba nyina na country me ni jemu sanka me koso kan e Nigeria I didn't even thought about Europe ni sa nyoma no like na Nigeria kro de wa na me nim ho asem na me ha na me say eno ne heaven e was as so serious to be honest with you time am so ano na me say pay heaven pay was as so na Nigeria serious I love everything Nigeria I love everything Nigeria
Lagos and say
yes Lagos
Anambra State and Lagos
I love everything about Nigeria especially one more celebrities you know one more comedians one more musicians everything about Nigeria like so
also when it so say obey yes in Nigeria
Nigeria when it so kwada na chere say me future no dey one of the brightest the whole we as bibia one of the brightest so far as Nigeria when it so say kwangna wo mo nam so eno na be bu akuru ni bad ya
and that's what ma wo
like serious
everybody we come answer say be one you know we come answer we you know
when is first and so
very good go ya ro ma na nsa kakra bi ni mbra because nsa mo fie pa
yeah say week we no remu ha no mo a emu e dem pa we remu e ha na I think that Ziggy so am I hu the state of
other sports stadium no
yes I think
that Ziggy between the so Ziggy obetumi the atoso am ya Ziggy na wo
Oh.
Nti no obetumi dey to so amaya. Since you get the be possible man.
Oh yeah, on the day. Because nti ye benya wa ha at least na me state ni mu a me hu say no sa we na wode my yen say 2 games pe na obebo ha no enyi
Wa enyi
want to boss
enyi give mu kuro mu ni I go United we obobo ni achina e baba no so don't match that Friday when you play no kra baby
pitching
nti kwauni
pitching dey no
kwauni
Friday baba so Friday me editorial kakra it's no na me editorial no
kwupa ni
oh crobia me say Friday no na me editorial to wase
mati
until room 3 minutes pe
okay uremu a Hendrada for the first time Cremonese etumi win game in 29 good years na o mu win game and this year specifically our gain promotion into the Serie A in Italy no wo mu be remu no enya ade a wo matumi na wo matumi win a game in 23 games so far as the year under review 2022-23 season no air consent having played 23 games proud before Endra game no making 24 no 23 games na wo matumi a draw 9 and lose the rest of the games in not even a single winner womanya this particular year. But for the first time, I will go into their 24th game in the season, you know. Now we more a hosty in the AS Roma Cremona na game to me about so at the end of the game, one more to me a winning by 2-1 against Jose Mourinho side AS Roma. And those have 4 na AS Roma ekuta our mode kwa and rather one more winning yanka umbe place 3rd on the league log and so the Italian Scudetto no so hono na chese modern boy afi no wo bo na wo hwe nim say dia kwese wo betumi make European sport that is the UEFA Champions League proper nankasa no na anka no so they are still on course a wo hwe eyi ejuma ama no ma bi etumi akoyie whereas a wo hwe nim say few players bi na wo ye key members edema setup no Jose Mourinho side a wo mutumi signing during the summer no sa players ni nyina return no ene wo monya Spinazzola and rather no nya consolation no edema this player no ewo Euro 2021 ayekwa no onya ligament injury ono so ekotine chire chei but this time round we tumi aba ono so few games ni mo efe no ono so ehwe enim so obetumi improve ewo minute Jose Mourinho edema no and gradually ono so guso pick up abrante friend no Gigi Wijnaldum from Paris Saint-Germain eba be remo ono so due to an injury a long term injury fe no ono so return aba ono so gradually onya few minutes e dey make sure say ono so betumi return fully no ono so etumi aboa the course of AS Roma wo mu season no hono munti anka these players we nyina no enso eba no nanka ye hwe nim say Roma team no ebetumi abon ho moden akonkan ma nyoma etumi abo abandrada enyoma entumi ankonkan amfa ma AS Roma ope one of the teams wo mo ebo ho moden ye pa in terms of away records ewo Italian Serie A na uyi obviously AS Napoli wo mo ekuta 34 points away wo mo etumi nya in 13 games away games wo mo etumi abo then followed by Atalanta wo mo 13 games no na wo mo nya 24 points and Andrada AS Roma no kita 22 points away 3rd best away team ewo Serie A animu no hwenum sankandra do be jump aba be the 2nd best away performing team and so ewo Serie A animu enyoma entumi ankonkan amfa ama o I think say if Jose Mourinho ni Roma person will make it up for UEFA Champions League next season and yet Cremonese na team we say one more to me and lose it to but and rather Ghana ni brand Felix Ohene Darko and so to me esi akan the boy ama no man so to me konkan e de Emma Cremonese wo munya wo first victory so far as a season and so no e concerned Juventus and so guso a ene Paul Abile Pogba and rather making his debut after signing from a summer no free Manchester United as free agent eko join Juventus no ono nso etumi aba and say no hwe Juventus wo mu nso egusu nkakra wo hwe bebi a Juve enso eda ewo table no so na anka hu behia se wo mu 15 points ene no appeal no egusu ekoso no se wo mu nya sa 15 points no e de ba be kan ho no ma Juventus enso ebetumi aye forced to reckon rate wo mu be make sure wo ba be place 2nd on the league log but now wo mu place 7th tournament 35 points despite almost losing 15 good points. So just say modern mono eguso konkanya Max Allegri eguso for a team no players na hono enwu benya say during the summer no wo mo betumi offload lots of them na ene wo mo pave way for the young chaps any other signings wo mo betumi aye enso de aboa. So entra a good victory for Juventus wa bra wo mo concede first goal wo mo sanso be concede second goal ba wo mo ba ke be win by 4 goals to 200 and so Allianz Stadium na chese entra wo mo so more than one way to me konkan e hope say that 15 points no mo betumi win appeal no na wo mo so betumi aboewrem top one na wo mama because we teams are wo mo follow Napoli netia. I don't think that when we teams are going to Myanmar and Napoli that tough run for Diamani on the quest of winning the Scudetto no and so I think say no ne kakra ma share and so Europe bra o share bring na continue yensi na twaso.
Okay, no and so no Krobia and so Eddie no is bonite wa man solo bonite wa na M57 number.
Okay, ketwebi ya Benzema A.K.A. Emra ye shase ya sankomo ye kan wa no se ade bia ye de abato ne e decide no se ne awo hwe na nko ne sa da wo ye ne den ya beto afom kakra pe ne start no yes okwan bi so Benzema e deserve se ye bona ba so se on the best player because we emra FIFA shase ye nomination no mo ka se period bi am this was a share that time no na ya the ahwe players na performance na fe ya the agina so ato aba na if it is that August no de kwesi December mu no that's a Benzema performance no na ya there was ro but ade bia so a eye FIFA ade no World Cup e cancel bibia eno so ne ade ba ko pa e ma Messi ya what they go win that award no and Messi no say August the performance anko year September the performance anko year and to that 1 month na yeah they cover World Cup no or the beye bibi and so performing year or the benya award no you call World Cup year na so you win the performance boy e dey ma Argentina national team no was winning Argentina or Sandy or Moeje World Cup. Intina say and now by cancel Benzema and the papa ye na and I say the performance awoye ni nanom aba be cancel no. Enti onfa ne sa election and quite Amanfo to aba and anko side ya say wo ye wo bo homodin say nyina na nka wo expect say bibi say ebeba de ama na anko ba mu onfa ne sa and ohun ne say Messi ni Ronaldo ni de baby omu be pie bia no omode money peja kakra pe oye den Amanfo beto ade Amanfo de be mo munti Benzema anfa ne sa na ohun ni say kwa na anko yie and oye den FIFA best no enya de ono Benzema obenya biem because Mbappe no mo so ba and o hwe ne Kylian Mbappe no mo eye o hwe Jude Bellingham almost we ba no almost we ye na eden ma Benzema nti onfa ne say ya de bat onfa ne say okay.
All right. I know solo no na farmers manga. You wedding come ofi na yen fe fi 7 bra Ghana Premier League in some and as of a power and we do Ghana na Abrantin be do say Benunu Menta ano Athletics Association I president and hold on no swear and we want to be Minister for Youth and Sports here Mustafa Yusuf and they are chede kakra command and they are as of a pound so tower or toto Ghana and here come and here Ghana ni no fe no for Ghana mad oh baby now one fe bi muso de and you know no so ya be bana afisam no solo so to me area but you know so afisam no yanko.
Let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. I say this is our own. Let's cherish our own. Division 1 League.
Ya nto asomfa efie sam no anso mfema on anopai na hu sane no so ete ye sha sem fem free Christian atwu enso aso ye na abrante na na nsan na busua enso ko wura mu e wo mampanyi akache ekosra mampanyi esan kobo mampanyi amane as a idea Abanti and the Christian Achu officially omo catcher no say Okono Nkrachi no Okono Abusiane Okono GFA president Kurt Edwin Simon Okraku and a leading delegation no Eko PMO Omanpenya catcher and Omokose Omanpenya ye official and Omanpenya so G2 mo na ne dika no Ketokraku and the Jira Abusiana Nemo Ekasa yenti and common Nibia on so Ede Emma aye Omanpenya Emra Obama.
Inform you about the intention of the family to work closely with the Ministry of Youth and Sports, the Football Association, and the government led by your good self to give our brother a befitting burial. Christian Achu was a very, very dedicated footballer. Christian Achu served the Black Stars with all his heart. He served all national teams as and when he was called upon. And until his demise, he was still a member of our team, so long as the team selectors picked him. Beyond the field of play, Your Excellency, he was a philanthropist. His deeds and works are all over the place. And I think the world has spoken to all the good deeds that Christian Achu Trasam did to mankind.
Members of
Anyway, and so I GFA president Kurt Edwin Simon Okraku and Odi kan eba amane de kire Omanpanyin ni a esi ye nyina na wo wie no Omanpanyin so de ya konsam e de ye ma abusuan na fe GFA eso e wo honom ye ndi kan tie Omanpanyin ya konsam a ode ma abusuan
the fraternity of Ghana, my deep condolence and sympathies for what has happened. And I speak not just for myself, but then for the entire 31 million people of our country. Fortunately for us, we have in Turkey a very dedicated, dynamic woman who's our ambassador, who spared no effort to make sure that not only was he located, but that decent arrangements were made for his repatriation to us here in Ghana. I thank God for that. Just as I thank God also for the cooperation of the Turkish authorities, who have proved that a friend in need is indeed a friend indeed. I've had the privilege of talking to the Turkish President Erdogan.
Eno aya Ghana Manpanyin Excellency Nana Ado Dankwa Akuffo Ado ena ono so de ne ya konsem ede ma abusuan na fe GFA na owie kura no se ene yoman no ebema Christian Achu state barrier na yese ombehwe na fe oman ankasa agibibia atum asie no ewo baby kama ye bedida no baby kama na ano so ye de ahye na enyam ye ntie Ghana Manpanyin na Ado Dankwa Akuffo Ado,
who have proved that a friend in need is indeed a friend indeed. I've had the privilege of talking to the Turkish President Erdogan to express our collective thanks to Turkey and to his government for the assistance that they gave, not just in locating our compatriot, but also facilitating his return back home. There are people here whose sense of grief is bound to be even more acute than others. And I speak particularly about his twin sister and the brothers. That I know this must be a very difficult moment for you. But I think our responsibility is to give you as much support as we can. It can never erase the loss of this very brilliant man. But there it is. I always console myself with the thought that at the end of the day, no matter the circumstances, the Almighty will call each one of us one by one. And perhaps that was his destiny, that he be called in this tragic way. It is important that the Ghanaian people express their appreciation for his work that he did for our nation and the contribution he made to the development of the game, which is our national pastime, soccer, and to the development of sports in general. So I've asked the Chief of Staff, who unfortunately is outside Accra today, to make sure that we organize a state-assisted funeral for Christian Atsu.
Eno eye Ghana man panyin His Excellency Nana Adodankwa Akuffo ena wote se o chire mo ya chire Christian Atsu abusua ena fe GFA eye impanyifo a omo ekopie mu ewo na so eye na mo de kwato na nim se yenia Christian Atsu afedie nyame atonsa frɛ no kra na on the 4th of March ena ebe no 1 week no ena no so nhyehyɛ ya horo a aban no enso aye ede afa yenia na ayi hu no ena ode to eyo omanim a anopai ya bobi enso ama wa hu sene a etie yenko Ghana Premier League match day 19 na yemfa efiensom no emfensi yenhwɛ sene a etie enso ewo GMP no ene na ukopiem enso ewo Babanyara Sports Stadium at 3 p.m. Ghana time Kotoko ebetena ni Bechem United edebebo ani na ene Kotoko game omo ebo no Sanso eye Jumedie kese edma Kotoko team no Asante Kotoko Fan Fest no ene ena eba so 10 a.m. here ena o ma sha ase ema omo so edidi eho enkoma ye se anka ye ni mpenfo bedu nkoma ya so omani abrenti no na se ye nya omo emrepam no yenya enkomo ne beba na wate no so ho nkoma kakrenti Kotoko Fan Fest ene eba so Babayara 10 a.m. and activities no asha ase 3 p.m. game against Bechem no and so beto aso and so ewo hono mo yankwa nyina se Camp Park dia Karela United almost 3 p.m. and Accra Lions ebebo na fe Theatre of Dreams Idau Kotoku Royals 3 p.m. any Dreams FC and so ebebo Bibiani Dance Park Bibiani Go Stars and so at 3 p.m. Ebeshia and so Atreman FC na amoni amonso ede abani na fe eduana and so tenafie Nana Fosu Nana Ajma Bedu the first stadium hono mono eduana and so ne Kumasi Kimfesa and so ebebo na fe Golden City Park Bechem Brekum Chelsea and so atenafie atonsa de afre FC Samatex 1996 na monso ediabo ani Ewak Sports Stadium Legon Cities any Tamale Cities and so ebebo na a big game no and so eba so Accra Sports Stadium 6 p.m. Accra Heart of Folk and so to Accra Great Olympics Ewa Accra Sports Stadium na omonso ediabo ani eno a big game and so betumi abaso na fe Real Tamale United Asia Media Maboboko no and so Tamale Sports Stadium matches ahura ebeba so and so Ghana Premier League match day 19 no and so emu eno no ye de besi na fe ni aka na no ya to aso edi ama wo emrenti ye fensia na emrepam ni aka no ye de beto aso edi ama.
Okay, into no efisem no te no ana ene Pasolo Paradise and so no etimi eri abana ye ba be di nkomo ofia ne sa na se we no Ghana Premier League mo enkomo no Ghana Premier League mo enkomo enti anonso no onu se ene games do na be course Great Olympics and had to focus on 6 p.m. Sanson Asante Kodoko and the Bechem United 3 p.m. and enti anonso na wa se no so ukopie deu Theatre of Dreams dey and say Kotoku Royals and so ene eye bobu kwani din and so no edi Dreams FC and omonso no ebebo enti anonso no ene matches ebeba so solo din nyina edi atudwa and so no etumi edi amawa ye baba na ya bedi mu enkomo bara LOC no Ministry of Youth and Sports amayati say the All African Games was sank eba so in the month of August this year no and ya dey no so ebe to me I den abaso ya me boa next year March and then mpanyfo and so na dey akọ sha mpanyfo se sabre no and then yemmo All African Games and Ghana and I say yenye All African Games Ghana yenso ye dey amaye no yenye no ntino no so nkomo e ba be di kro bia wa ha ekọ nche na All African Games nkomo no ye di ewia na ya be di Ghana Premier League mu nkomo kro bia news aba no mpanyfo no ye di kan be kan so nya dey be baso no o confirm say ampa next year March and All African Games and Brazil say facilities are be no enye krado
internet just say CAF still also Ghana na yen hosti
so All African Games enye CAF nko enye CAF nko
enye Africa
yeah me just say enye CAF here football related but we other sporting disciplines that count
yes
and you know your International Olympic Committee
other bodies now wo ehwe ni nyina into ana bisa se wo nyina te ase
so Ghana na
we dey say hu hia any discussion
so what's next year
it's next year oh yeah
unyin say awombo na nya papa bia
into next year say simple as that say one more ma yembre I be to me abaso say yemfam prepare facilities outdoor was a Ghana yenya na ye de etumi hosti other countries awomba be pim e wa hanom no Ghana ye ni bi enye say ye wie ye ni bi ni kakra na ye won so ye wie ye ana ne yete say ye sha no so ye sha as ye nti ye ni bi nti no wo ma twe akosi another year won asen atwim ama Ghana fo say won mfa the following year da ye ngenimu afi ba ko da ye ngenimu and then so ye first match until 1 year exactly sa 1 year we no o man no ye mfa nyen hihye isinya sa facilities ni nyina available na fei Olympic Games no entumi embra so the year 2024 ewo match so a year now pepepe na sha se ntia no ne mandate a wo mo anase time frame wo mo di ama o man konkron Ghana say ye nhwe na sa ni o man nyina nkon kan so I think say eno ano no
Krobia ma me nkon na me kotin komo we even through our man zenko Great Olympics aso na yenkodi enkomo niama deputy PRO and so na de ma Accra Great Olympics ono ejina mu edi nkomo de ama Olympics and then onim said the Manchester Derby to draw the Nations Wembley Accra Sports Stadium Olympics and able fee many had to folk abona yimisa niama ze Great Olympics and ya humbo na say senior no pay mo Akwaaba famra epuemante mo Okoman radio so
me ya meji so
na bibia eboko de
nyanya do bibia boko
Olympics and ya humbo na te say yinim said the Manchester Derby no and so na to draw enne 6 p.m. Ghana time so far preparations at the the Great Olympics.
Okay, we shall say that was it. Okoman radio and Anopi. I think Great Olympics preparation wise, everything I can say it has gone well. And now I was able to visit the players at camp, and so the tea I sent back where one and say, Yomoya, say House folk now on redemption game because of 3 games on the trot, they've not been able to amass any win out of the 3 games, draw and 2 lose maybe and more. But then they'll have to receive the losing again, and they are in high spirits. Say game maybe so cost rubber from there as a folk which they for.
Se players na team no on spirit was so no enya say adwambedu mu ne dinkra obuku no okọ affected team no and going into the game no will you miss the services in Great Olympics?
Adwambedu is a great player, and no matter what it is, a few team you have lost something big and something great. But then don't also forget the team is well over there, the team is stronger. And the team registered a whole lot of players, and see what the expectation is. Say Obi Nima, Obi Sumo also to be and replace, and say going to this game, yes, we would say we would miss Ajimambedu's presence on the field of play, but then yes, now you're winning against us. Ajimambedu was not part of the squad, and say hope. They say we need the game going tomorrow. The boys almost spirits when they bet you catch us. A cost papa. going to this game, and coach going, Ajimambedu leaving the club, and then they are focused on today's game.
Senior, someone had to fuck Asia, league in my no day, papa, and it has so I say inconsistency no more winning, no more losing area. And then more Tiomo 10 in straight win at the mamo. And I say, point to be a Bemubiano, more fanisa.
We are not coming in for any point. And I'm not Madame Fubika, I said, Camedia, but say, yet, you that Lumba, the time pesa, I fancy, man, Shadam Metro, and me pe whiskey, the Yumpa, and say, media win, and I made me pet deal be I that Lumba. Draw, you lose there, you pay win, straight win. And then it's a straight win that we want.
And yeah, as I won't pet deal, no.
Baby, you're fine, yes,
whiskey and quite so down so whiskey, yes, of a bush war and cry out 1 million. And there's a bit of myself, whoop whiskey and answer mouth.
And yes, sir, 8 years, young crying for an assassin, assassin.
Okay. And then new coach, Kobe Mensah, Waba, and on a bench.
Not on a bench. If you be on a bench and anyway.
The supporters, you know, funny, so much general too, and I say almost I say, maybe in the next 5 games, you know, be Papa be back and San and Yama Sunimu supporters and I saying.
So about Great Olympics, whatever management gives to the supporters, Nianhua said they need to give their support to whoever has been appointed, whoever has been given a position. So on Friday, they receive them in high esteem. A lot of people like appointments. I think 2 years ago, they appointed me as a media officer, deputy PR at my club. Now a lot of people welcomed me, and so far we have been in a very good relationship. And anybody that is being bring on board to come and help do us Great Olympics, they welcome each and everybody. And change say support immediately coach added the end of my the first thing the supporters team had to do was to visit them at the training grounds. A lot of donations at my team, you know, the playing body and the technical team. And the love they put there, they have started showing it already. Although he hasn't even played a game with the team yet, but supporters know imagine our work too, and they are really happy to have this Makobi as part of the club.
Okay. New signings. I'm here at the lights of a year. Abrante Christopher Netti and this Japanese player by and I expect to say this new signings never be a team anymore.
I think Christopher Netti, he has been playing exactly a week after I signed the year, and Michael said they have been doing very well. My boy squad the last I think the last game ball against the United and Jindo Morishita, our Japanese attacker on also the country last game against the United, and he's in camp as well. And he would come and then do what he knows how to do best. Team effort and drafts. I didn't so much see him, but about Great Olympics, he touches 1, 2, be who training, and who say yes, Sana or Papa, I want him, and let's expect something great and then from this new lads Yanya Eddie
Isaac Mensah be available. Former player Martin for himself or be available in there.
Because I same way crowd better kakra, because of the same way better kakra. Instead of me both baby banana man shut down boy. Sene be who say you baby
Oko baby.
Aha. And say waba fie obeka busia ho nene busia be kire say sisi ade or you feel onye tenant biom or you feel and Isaac Mensah Ashama Messi and they obeti against the former club.
Okay, and yeah, my Mawakwi, Kabibi Kakache Olympics supporters.
I think supporters in our Mesra, so for the beyond to which or more TV, and then Anopi, a war, Poeman to my region, and Nano, Adibako Pet, Namakacha, or Omunka or Okoman Akwaaba. They should pray for the team say ene numere de kunumdie ebe ye omodia obi biawa o istige o tie Okoman radio bia no me catch and say ene numere by 8 p.m. omunsa embetie Okoman radio biom ombete say the 3 points I agree to Olympics there. Some person mun share game no be more I think say I didn't sign a free captain Akropong ba in kind there be 2 hours be there and after 3 hours you could do match no say 6 p.m. Oba onya 20 Ghana cedis I will be national popular international game fair ama we ni ache we so see traveling very easy because a lot of buses move at night utumi ubetumi anya o transport back home say bia o share according to munsem so na say bia o ka say game never live I was start types and say so app no who decoder o ubetumi a share game live na Great Olympics engu omweni mo ase me da was be break.
And so that say era ni ama on a deputy PRO and my Great Olympics and an opera ni and opera na say.
Mr. Me da was be break.
All right, and you know ni ama and yenini din komo deputy PRO and ase kasamafo abedechi and my Great Olympics and on so it di yeti en komo no chim said ne as wo yo kiana ke I want to focus on some hard to chi and so no ebeka form say Kobe do see LOC ni All African Games so no we on can be ana we on me krata me ho no actually ma project no was worth $38 million but man project no ana you secure a loan of over $500 million in Zanka by now crowd here Zanka project ye wie kura nka je say na ye twa ne say ye place ne ayi training na je say ye kwa kobo August ya me wan so project ye ntumi nu ba bia
nti say ke no ano no
let's kana ye de $500 million loan
wo mo mfa nye ejuma ni wie wo mo nye ejuma ni wie ejuma no wo mo wie wow
now the problem has been funding
I say wo mo wie
agwa to say me ministry na OLOC wa beka chem is All African Games facility we airport team and no e cost $38 million. Me compare both me ko $500 million both here. Me wa that project no so no
ye because we say ye benya
because project no started but team and started somewhere last 2 years me boy.
So I think
2021.
Yes.
It's about now there.
One more a lot of answers. That is why I want to present those answers now. A meaningful Twumhene for and now to the apex of baby I want to me actually as to whether say still Ghana and was saying then hosted this tournament and I say ye be ye free what they call any other country and now say the best is right now and penny for you consider you know. One more consider say one more be postponed the no for a further year. I think say that is the best decision I want penny for to me make it, and there's no way we can challenge that. So if I don't know be worthy about 38 million now, when you 500 million, I think say yeba o mangna ngasa so yeba yaba be face issues near the dollar issues ni nyoma cost of items and I say equipment ni sa nyoma ni nyina no ni nyina to me akosoro. So it might be say per calculations now one will be here even more than 500 and kasampa one penny for the can then edema woman. So I understandable and then ye feina yeba be chino srenia basa ewa hanomo. The harm has already been caused and even to me and yawoshe as we speak. That is why at the top level one more consider to make sure say for a further year one more time or minor preparations enguso ayenkoso until March 2024. Nefe yanga share the way forward. So I think that's the best way I will move to me because now lots of the African countries, you know, and even interested. Say we move to me hosti. One more year ready, no, or be okay intact already, no. One more soon you're ready. Say we move even I vie for. So Olympic way, no, you know. It's still in our hands. Say you be putting things together and making sure say the next 12 months that you know you be making sure say you be intact na jumedi ne to me abaso. So no you more penny for abaso.
O sambe bon penny for abaso.
You more penny for abaso na kebe den. You more abaso.
Enye numgase nye fere.
Enumgase Ghana ha obi enumgase. Obi akwe yoko jina hoka. Ghana obi shobi so. Ghana edimukasi bikobi.
Come here, remember Ghana Premier League fixtures, matches na
big games pa na eba na uremu a Aduana Stars ehwe ni mu se obe winning premiership no. For the first time in a long while, I think that womu guzwa year preparations and womo atna doma ashe krobia metema sante kotoko ewo the FA Cup a womo etumi eyiru mu afim so defeating Kotoko and sailing through to the next round of the FA Cup competition so no emma womo a lot of momentum emma womo lots of zeal womo they call into this premiership game and players ni nyina no share the camp of Aduana womu nyina obi bia well motivated the euphoria around womu nyina enjoy every moment e camp one months no so ya another way eboa e dia ma Aduana so no womu course no etumi akoso womu we kame Kimfesa babies and so nenu doma and I think it's a very interesting game. Kimfesa and sheda nya womu bobre womu ye on and off womu tumbenya results out on no womu de call in the FA Cup womu so etumi nya a very positive results womu so etumi sail through to the quarterfinals of the competition you know and the game na another game be interesting and so doma but o she said the nyoma record with doma Aduana Stars former womu kuta ni Kimfesa there I think doma will be
adwuma na say yankombra man so na yani okatachi afrifa ono PRO public relations officer na kasamafo and so the ma odan Kotoku Royals onu so ne de ene na awoma yuso a yesefia ene na emu no abepiem kura de ukra yes be fire ne ade a yene ni nkomo emfa Kotoku Royals ene onu se ne omo na obo home ene Dreams FC awo Theatre of Dreams ni misanza one to say senior Anope Yemo Akwaaba emfamra Okoman Radio so
ejo show
na bibia eboko
zankopo adom bibia eboko
Kotoku Royals enim say ne money Dreams FC and ebo Theatre of Dreams there so far ma obuano etisen
oh namyadom I think preparation bibia be that na for man in the last game a couple MTN against Wales because of this particular game there were still some of the key players in the game just to make sure say game way game back by who here in party so I say to me account the maximum 3 points in Ghana. All your dreams so I think they are in their form of their life and they are playing extremely well. And it's a very, very difficult game in their mind there, but we are hoping and still the TV and some customer points.
Now you say Mufesi player injuries kakra any idea or I know so far I know so at the same.
Well, I think the only injury our sexy club and Kakra captain KCSD is I think apart from that the year fire so far one more company the is eligible to play.
Yamra ni say yene ya tete mo dia tudwa say mo boy na wi na mo bo mo follow game na odan sports stadium no will be ready say Kotoku Royals ebe use sa facility no and no stadium no come on no at saying
well I'm still Canada I think say ejuma akoso and the player na me see but I buy I was since and idea the kind of job akoso study almost kind of majesty the DG was so far no the movie the construct a man on Sunday here in Stratford for the Akropong and then again Kotoku next home game against a team of United and Sana the Kobo has a coach then Bob Kimfesa and we are hoping that Agnes will cry there a home game against Kimfesa like you said a bit more.
Now, Musha himself will bought more game against Kimfesa our Dano. Money club licensing for the common inspection why it's no matter abeche facility is okay progress and baby I do know okay between host Premier League game and I say amunyamba for inspections here.
Well, in terms of inspection, you decided yeah, first year because yeah, my deep year here. And by the time I get to say it means that you have finished everything now. Can't say and say, we are some number board, and that has been a reason why. Then said I'm on Mumbai, and you will give you say by the time the bay I didn't say you ever bought, and I said stadium I ready now on the banner. Now they are giving us the mandate, say between number board. I don't put the engine and a big deal here. If I see a CC, you see a year and Sunday from, and you give you to say, I'm going to be doing one. By the time I bet from some man, I'll be doing. Said the TV on the Maya Quina, I'm here to number board.
Okay. And that game no yenim say e ba so 3 p.m. out there. Tickets won and somebody saying.
Well, 10-20 cities and I hear you know get study to share and I'm willing to say and be so good one we still region now this season only share who could to royal on baba. Yeah, I hear back one. It is to start for number 4 and say the position and the points build up at the great Nabia. If you may not like to watch Kutokuro as matters, but I may might keep for the phone assurance and then you better exhibit one of the beautiful, brilliant football and then don't forget about where we are, don't forget about where we stand. Any friends work. I think that we are now being a queen over the way probably enjoy one of the finest football.
All right, senior, everybody say no pioneer din komo ya sorry so everybody na feel so no you have enjoy beautiful football no senior oka no.
Many matches. That matches so any Africa.
Yes, so yeah that say enti no okatachi afrifa ono kasamafo edema Kotoko Royals and I'll tell you can abonite the free and against Dreams FC 3 p.m. I will do. I say that time no ana game no eba so krobia na wanugu so
yeah tineke duana ni kin face a game no dey I think say be mere formality game for Duana Stars because one modern ball now one more share one that top of the league log now one more share so we to me win nino double no there I think say no ma be to me akon kan dia ma kin face a baby and there 20 points and then one more at that 16th position. Almost so lose to them no so no enya de ebe working face at all enya de no so be to me about because this is a season was a one more and some fight to avoid relegation but looking at said the normal corner they it depended on teams one so that one more so no share Legon cities and Karela no more great Olympics no more these are teams one more strike here very difficult say one more able to me are getting into the relegation zone and Oshe Max so couldn't do manager or lead Legon cities Oshe Karela now Oshe Great Olympics I think these are difficult teams and then looking face and one more compete say one more drop it none no to me build their points none so to me a free relegation zone but very very difficult for them and going to Domano I don't think they will come out with even a single point and that game will go for Duana Stars will be to me a clinch or the 3 maximum points you know or this particular game no so emu hormone and then Kotoku team Kotoku Royals one more ba na just say one more banner day for the first time one more again new promotion to the premiership no mo one more ba be hwe ni mu say enyoma be to me akonkan ejama initially before the season commencement no ye nyina ye to go say anka be ya anka Kotoku enye dey embra be si one more kan no enso ewo de ha but ama enum kra ye ne mpanimfo edi nkomo ma wo mo kire mu say even per distance and I say traveling arrangement a wo mo ye ne che say traveling from any other ekwako remu Cape Coast no much easier and I bet say boa wo much more than say wo mo ebe travel e dey aba mountains ha and enumu na wo mo kokko pie mu enso e wo hono ma enyoma ntumi anya den ankonkan amfa ma wo mo enso e Cape Coast a wo mutumi ekoko remu e wo hono ma and Cape Coast no 10 games a wo mo boy e wo home no wo mo etumi enyan 10 points any points I want to me enya e ho na chesa enya ade a enyoma etumi e boy kra 30 good points e was say wo munya e home no wo mutumi ama say 10 points per ana wo munya and even away games a wo mo boy ni nyina no wo munya only a point from away games that womu to me boy na che say enioma to me anko ye kra 11 points and so far womu to me nya ewo 18 possible games a womu to me abono na che say enioma enhye dan konkan eno so womu ni inform Dreams FC and Eddie Akinsi no and so to me about Beshisha so and we Dreams FC modern ball recently and so the theater of dreams are a normal to me a konkan yipa and so Eddie mawom womunya bad run honomo wabra womuko breku meko lucie womu betena dew Ameduana Stars eba beshe womu enu echi no womu ekọ Accra ama Great Olympics womu ne womu ekọ board draw from there womu etena dew ehye kotoko by 2-0 womu nso ehye enenu timu a from we be any goal stars and so by a goal to nil and sana in the MTN FA Cup no almost answer hosty in the Liberty Professionals I almost share 3 goals past them and so very difficult grounds are in any one more and in their last 4 games you know one more lose a single game one more a draw back on it to me we need 3 and so that is a remarkable resource and so at the team friend with Dreams FC and again for the first time Baba be Bono. Now, the unfortunate thing for Kotoku Royals, you know, is the same venue, the home grounds of Dreams FC, one tenase comfortably. Now, almost as an away team, but rather one home. I think it's a very difficult game for a team Kotoku Royals or Jose Wombo to me IABB. Very difficult because Dreams games are young shed share against BBNI, they share against Krobia Sante Kotoko, and last weekend in the FA Cup, one Liberty Professionals. I don't think that Kotoku Royals still one be to me about making any surprise because Dreams FC one more comfortable zone and a one more to Asha so and a very very difficult the environment and the euphoria around you know I think it's very very difficult for Kotoku Royals this time but I'm believing say one more than one the Aqua said their name opening can Aqua Broswa pe Dreams FC a no de Aqua Broswa ne se bia one boy to me a shocking draw and no cry a shocking womunya draw crana a shocking one and so at the Kotoku Royals very difficult grounds I ne one but I think say anka womo ban in temwa anka betumi aboa womo dan say for the first time ohwe situation a womo mu na enya de nyoma konkan edema Kotoku Royals intino a game from here enyina be san so etrupi to Dew Stadium and I say Dew Park na yaka akohwe sa game me ka akohwe game no anyhow Kotoku Royals ebetumi aba be ball homodi against Dreams FC be very difficult one for them so womo betumi enya sa inkunimdie no enso ho.
All right, I know Krobia there on air Kotoku Royals Bobo Kono Solo and Ghana Premier League midweek action. You said the Manchester Derby and so Heart to Folk Great Olympics and Heart to Folk. I know at 6 p.m. at Santa Koroko and so NB Champion United at 3 p.m. at Babaya Sports Stadium. Yes, and another Eastern Region cracker Kotoku Royals and so any Dreams FC.
Again, that's it. Nah, I might hear from Sunyan and TSA. F boot, no, so much I say, che.
Lower division,
yeah, 50 division 1, and so a Benty, and also Yambo F in Abaso, say, a distributed boot, no, and so they are my class, and Mark John, Sapek channel, over to me the Atosama, Obi Asher Senia, and also to me at your home. Ave Mark, Mammy, Kotoku Royals, and so more. Stadium no send yes here come yam penny for na so where the state of Kotoku Royals on pitch now idea so any pitch ni ye compared to even Dew Park no kra no make say Kotoku Royals on pitch no ya idea e was so e dey say Dew Park no aka say on be stance no baby supporters ne ba on be jinjin ne idea ba kon etumi aka nti yam penny for na so e wo Kotoku side wo and omo hwe na mu nan kambom now I'm on ye and Fema a Kotoku Royals. Send a bear, almost me a bomb home matches. And so I will a Kotoku Chromo on the mesa and say, Senia, near Messi, I called them a team no Division 1, almost ball home matches now, and almost to me a pep for me ye and tea. So almost bob and so I will a Ghana Premier League and come bomb home matches no Kotoku. Osha support a beba. And then send your team no able to me a performing players and the ben supporters no and able to me a buenti no ya more about say so far no more to me a BBC and the akano in penny for no some no mu na mwa Emma Kotoku Royals stadium no into me and ya krabeshe omo ball against club on the day Dreams FC I would do and what game no send the CL kwa Kotoku Royals performance and so our league table no so no omo na twa to okra nneɛma nkɔ yie ɛnso ntumi ɛmfɛm ɔmo with 11 points ɛwɔ league table no so Dreams FC da 8th position 20 6 points ɛna kita ɔmo and two teams no sɛ ɛba no pitch no so nea wɔnim so yie a Dreams FC nti game no deɛ Kotoku Royals ɛbɛyɛ den ɛde ama ɔmo sɛ ɔmo betumi anya da needed resource no ɛnso wɔ the way group amaso but yɛhwɛ football football bibia betumi asi betumi aba surprise club and the Dreams FC ɛnso ɔmo ankasa ɔmo backyard and Dreams abo games no do na group amaso into onim sɛ ne a esi ɛteɛ but football Kotoku Royals nso betumi aba make it surprise and to me minya ya Kotoku Royals entumi perform here na at least ɔmo nya da 3 points no ɛwɔ game nim but ɛbɛyɛ den ɛnso tumi ɛde ama ɔmo Kotoko against Bechem United. Bechem the second position. Our league table no so. Asante Kotoko. And so share baby on also where on also the position. Our league table no so no. On also na say our chile edema crab and the end Bechem United. Bechem the second with 30 points. Kotoko third Ekita 28 points. So Sakobasa and Kotoko winia against Bechem United Kotoko ebenya 31 points and obe qualify to me and obe bananim at the Asen club and the Bechem United our league table no so and the game no game and then Bechem winning against Kotoko or 33 points and the position our third position second position and also no still then sabe to me aka and I feel so and the game no asin akwa festival game and the Asante Kotoko club because so we Kotoko sa fan festa omo now omo de activities ahuro e the club no na supporters ni na eba stadium no in their numbers aba be this adwuma no a na say ne ombenya nipa no e wa group amano so and sa supporters yi so always be na ombeba aba supporters Asante Kotoko no nyoma pi etumi ewuram and results no at our favor Kotoko bobo kono omo pesa nka game no mbebo no 6 p.m. by because of Great Olympics had to fucking take and of course say 3 p.m. almost more no because normal the kind I fixtures another time ni be added that and the Kotoko opportunity so mbebo it was 6 p.m. and almost here Bechem United coach Kasim Mengo akasa say Kotoko kita fine squad Kotoko kita fine strikers Mukwala and the likes on performance no air conkai but Kotoko ni coach according to coach and the and so the Kasim Mengo Kotoko said the new coach Kotoko and said that and perform ye and so I was season no and so but all home no udi agro bet me a surprise so we say coach Kasim Mengo say I read the Kotoko team ni here all game we no and also come with a tactical plan and have a discipline the team no and so to me aye yenim Bechem United ni omo season by season biano coach Kasim Mengo make sure say obey 1 or 2 players be a dear on bet me performing here and Bechem United bobo kono and the last season now your guest to okra ko no say Clinton do nom and so na you am performing Ediama club and the Bechem United. Enti almost bano almost bem with full vim, almost bem with that and your din and Nibreno. So I'm also Edba face Asante Kotoko. Always Bechem Shia Kotoko find it difficult to score them. Say ye Bechem, say ye Babayara Kotoko winiano and a slim margin. Nom de winning, nom de call my name. Send your more share Kotoku Royals, almost Accra Lions, 4 and 5 goals no. Kotoko shia Bechem United on to me in Shannon Sabi. I saw a 1-0, 2-1 B, no Kotoko at the Eko, and then they gave the bear 10 at the Asante Kotoko. But because of that supporters now, I was stadium no. A.K.A. game we make and our Kotoko and so Kotoko winia and ya wawa and so on them say Bechem so ewuram enya drone so and ya me wawa and so e wo honomo. I've had to folk against Great Olympics. Our Accra Sports Stadium. Game where a derby game. Olympics. Our league log no so no. Almost said that year. Had to folk our 28 points at the 4th position. Olympics that 13th position with 23 points. One share year relegation bet me akwa on the side. Where a second gamer, Coach Bismarck Kobi Mensa Ebo as head coach at the Accra Great Olympics. Or share him so being the first win. And so when the game are all him. Wakasa ahead of the game. As a wa prepare team no and benyo first win and yene kasama for at the Great Olympics deputy PRO. On also actually say team na prepare ye and players no obia we ata say club and they had to folk and do machi ebeka fam. Until o say nia nioma ekwa na obeka say a man game and derby game bia no bibia to me welcome. When so a game Olympics ne has eba how to folk supporters, how to folk officials and so en kasaye. Until almost when ni omo and always bia na has be me to Olympics. Our Ghana Premier League, you know. I had to folk I find it difficult. And over last season, send you see a choir at the Emma has against Olympics, no. A year din, you remember year din at the Emma Samuel Buedu and then the team had to folk. This time around, Matters and Swaba and Olympics and so a new coach. Almost say, Niama bet me a conkai and game with dear. May who say a bad thing. How to folk echo without Salifu Ibrahim. How to folk echo game name without experienced Glass Nawako. Our Medford war and all your team how to folk Ediomo Elko Aquaquia Olympics. Our gamer omo babe bonimwa. Make us say sa players me and so any mawako. It will be our experience. Yes, I want to number firm, but so 150 what the man had to folk campaign, no, and your man con a year, and so to me the man. Obia to say, make us say, or engine, our house, Miss Ford, no, Eric so. On any obi obey to me, a BB, and the man had to folk. Oh, yeah, a knock a subontain from Wafa, about house, no, on yeah, bad there, but in experience wise, and so firm, and if I compare, obi so to say the Suraj. One also enya from national teams now say ya aba but of baha to foka o start no on show them also dance with free bench eba and I also etu ya perform them how to folk problem no ye na de bia ya ka say e goal scoring and then Victor Edu and so ekwo game ni mo be omo Zakaria Yakubo and afa Yasin Ochin on omuna ebetumi lead Isaac Mensah and so Benjamin York omuna ebetumi leading lines no edem how to folk and say me coach edem how to folk na me yes selection na me select player for and then you make game no I only lead anymore and fema how to folk me go in for Abranta and Benjamin York and afa Victor Edo Isaac Mensah and Abranta and Yasin Ochin opportunity na bad ya more but still now to me and finally almost scoring boot no and she goes no and fema how to folk and Benjamin York and I feel Victor Edu my last 2 games be on my ball and the man cry to folk I shall say she goes no the man has so Matters enya that trust that belief GD no omumo no start to ma min GD is able to my baby and who has Abranta and so the Isaac Mensah Messi former how to folk player Elko Great Olympics. Ye who you no so yeah our has team name and son I will through and so now when you need there and also be how to folk no or match the hono kuna do ye adam any player make us or you be what batch e we chiro no e dem how to folk and some players we betumi aha omo that Akwe brothers no almost when more the Great Olympics how to folk defense no also problem no kakra and so on and all players has the ball defense kuna do yadom any Dennis and Chroma Kosa some players we pay and I make us say my ball what that experience no kakra that edu and esro kakra dem had to folk team no apart from that maka no here anane no ma edi eba game no o here Rashid o kan no has edi eba afin so peke dem had to folk and some players we no na eba be shia Great Olympics squad we are ebe dem had to folk best for Accra had to folk and game no ebe draw but say who go in make for double chance at the Accra Great Olympics.
All right, and also Pasolo at the Ghana Premier League and when a Kasi Empire. Let's see, big papa Kumasi Baba Yara as a Santikoroko and so any Bichim United and about 3 p.m. Ghana time and then Kumasi Baba supposed to know ye ka koroko asem no unu say meme day enu ana me to say meme day asante koroko chapters no and circles no the unu ye be pound to supporters no mpanyifo beba normal bepa supporters no ntoma amobi anso no ehun sampa obepiem Akuapem ha dewa koroko supporters a omudi botim no ho bra ha support team no akwanya sanya so no eno so eni ntienei utie mi ahya no so say memenda ana sa dwumedie no abeto dwam ye dewu Akuapem ntienei no koroko supporters mpanyifo nyina be fi Kumasi aba abe support mo nkran beba no ma beboa meka ne sa no say Akropong so momwa wa mo ho na momba mo ho na mo so no ebrepam mpanyifo aba na afin so aba no greti koroko circle ye Akropong ha no ntino fire ani uncle edi mu koroko supporters na mo Akropong ha no monka mo mbom na momba mo ebrepam enim se mugu so a mpanyifo beba na obepa ho to ba meme dey de dewu Akuapem ho ani de koroko supporters no ye pound to ye circles no ana circle ye dewu no ye pound to ma na se bibia enso na tima account na kwa me dan kwa mu nyina beba ni da akombeba na be support na mabia no kama na afin so no ye hu se dewu Akuapem koroko supporters no enso ni nti Amanfo enhye no enso ye be twene ya soro so bare ma akwanya na so frebra na fa agent chere Ghana Premier League insensem 0551667755 0551667755 0270191971 0270191971 and I say 0205818748 0205818748. Hello. Good morning, Fire.
Good morning, Mickey.
Fire, Bibia Boko, and voice from Bia Kama.
I've already shared me when to know come.
Yeah, Fire, Bibia be fine. You won't pay out. Why?
It does. You be welcome to Royal so dreams back.
Okay, and the line I drop it. But Fire. Wait me say after about 0551667755 0551667755. Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning. Bajo dinu be bia frefi.
Mini atama se biru. The fire yan wode ndi amede mo wode mapa. No mata.
Ata me nti.
Yo. Eba kom kuduro ya ene area we. Ko dia se kuduro ya point ene ja. Ene mo ene. Ene ngumije e do so. Hold on, we can say back pass. Phobia, you can't say. I said, oh, Yaria, Kotoko, go now. Or consider 2 goes one. A man on the cannon, Napoleon, and
okay, yes, I say that Fire. On Krana Abano, so Yaria, Kotoko, goose, and I share Mohana, and I boy Yaria. Hello.
Hello.
Good morning, Mr. Bright.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I don't pay Bibia, come on.
Bokopa.
Okay, my you.
Say Ghana and some the Nikan the Dintia Manana Asna gave me a time, man.
And you were 745.
Okay. Sure.
That's why I just Ghana assume you.
What the share project 38 million. Marco G 500. You should still want to me and 5 Ghana in Nijuma. We walk Canada. Wow, Ghana and some Canadian, need to cancer.
Amanana, oh.
But and that's from one friend.
Yeah, and I said, you want to do some sorry, I pay as a fro. I'm sorry, I pay no fro. And you want the draws, it's a Yanisana, I, to them, sorry, I pay no friend. Why?
Deal,
Matthias here. Okay. All right, what's it? 0551667755 0551667755 0270191971 0270191971 and 0205818748 na say so I don't know na ya kona zigi dia boss get worse on fire say na zigi me say you dey mouth fire. As a fire, I say my own turn. Tell me never support the Koroko. Maybe they be say go ya no. Oh ya re anjere ya. Sati as you know. Azolo ya
Yeah, I mean, that's right. or your heart to folk supporter. Oh no, so I would though. Now so tea and pa and dra. Me coffee na oshia me wakwemu no so ya mitiemo. Enti that's right. On soon check and confirm only abusuani na fe Born to Win Football Center, DSTV Center, e wa na matches no. Ya hwe no so with the Jablani and abusuani na monsun check and so confirm Nancy and afe grandma muna baby amo no anopenchi akese and confirm and a right to play football academy. And so we do, and also Coach Abega and a goalkeeper trainer Jabulani, Pachanga, and no more marking players Nina and no bench akese and so confirm munina and so and you'll be BIA and I face speed recovery and confirm fire. Name and can on man one day.
Okay, fire speed recovery and fama as we know happy birthday kese and confirm Obapa be strong. Obapa be strong and a birthday way if you are down for now for any ebusiani na almost omodo papa it's in Obapa be strong and a birthday nyamisha na onye okese na aje say wakoma so ade nyina no onye emfama Obapa nti no yerebesi na yakọ ambo achina ebeba na afin so no na beto aso muchum
The world, your full good party radio station. Okoman Radio 97.1. We bring on the best.
This is Dr. Gas Group of Companies and 3B garlic mixture, Abba, Emma, Hodini, Midima for a back clinic and Sodia, Hode Bray.